Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I hope everyone is weathering this storm known as COVID-19. It's a difficult time for many and we hope your business, your employees, and your families are safe, healthy, and managing to deal with this crisis. We'll get through this one day at a time. As always, thanks for tuning in to our weekly tech tip. Former Chicago Mayor Rahm Emanuel is well known for his quote, "Never allow a good crisis to go to waste." Unfortunately, cyber criminals are listening to the former mayor's advice right now. With the onslaught of COVID-19 having a grip on the global economy and more workers being forced to work from home, cyber criminals are leaping at the opportunity to exploit this pandemic and steal your valuable information or drain your bank account. Here are some tips to keep you safe during and after the COVID-19 pandemic. 1. There's no miracle cure for COVID-19. If you get an email stating there is some miracle cure, delete it. It's not true. This miracle cure is more than likely a piece of malware that will watch your every move or ransomware that will try to encrypt your files. 2. Do not wire money to anyone. This old trick is showing up again. Cyber criminals will call or email their target stating that a family member is in the hospital with coronavirus and they need to send money to cover their medical bills. Don't give in to this, it's a scam. 3. Microsoft, Google, and any other tech firm will not call you and ask you for your password. Neither will the IRS or any other organization for that matter. Hackers know that millions of Americans are working from home right now, and they'll try their best to use your personal computer as a gateway to break into corporate resources. There you have it, a few basic tips to keep you safe as we all ride out the COVID-19 pandemic. We will get through this. Listen to the professionals, practice social distancing, wash your hands, and keep your technology safe and secure. My name is Mike, and thanks again for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip.